Okay, we come again. Today we got try finish the Karmann Ghia with the semi-automatic. Now we have stopped properly the transmission, hydraulic lines, and the harness. Transmission mode. Harness is completely connected. Transmission mode. Motor mode. Let's see. We have already also braked, wheel cylinder, new lines. We had to bleed in to make sure he stopped with this new transmission. So this is 12 something, I don't know what that means. So let me put the motor. We ready the whole system, this pedals. Right now we have to put the original pedals and the original shift stick. Okay, let's continue. I have already prepared my harness to connect with fuse and all stuff. So let's see the party started. Yes, guys, today we're going to continue to set up. Last time we finished, we put the engine. Now we have to set up the pump, the vacuum pump. I have to continue to tie the torque converter with screws. Today we had to get down, finish the harness, and also we had to put the reservoir hydraulic fluid, the storage vacuum too, plus we're going to install the brake pedal and shift stick. It's good to mention the pipe here is different size. The original is more longer of the semi-automatics, so we had to remove this cover to come all the way inside of the vehicle. Okay, guys, so far this is the video today. We're going to continue the party. Everything's gotta be organized, gotta be in the bracket. I think I go modify this bracket. I will sit here. The hydraulic deposit fluid. Ay, Dios mío. Okay. Agarra uno. Hay que soltarla, yo no sabía. y ahí entra el cambio. Ajá. No traigo frenos. Está parado, espérate, un sobre. Ahí estoy forzando por el carrito. Ah, ya la hallé. Oh, que está en reverses para acá. Perdón, grupo. No le tenía neutral. Ok. Reverse. Low. I need the brakes. Very important. So heavy here. I need a new fuel tanker. This is almost finished. How are you? A ver si puedo bombear aquí. Es más, empieza a bombear cuando yo te diga.
Ok.
Bombeale.
Ahí está.
Bombeale, sin miedo.
It's going to be hard when your left foot is
Yeah,
used
completely. Outside, inside. Adentro y para afuera.
Sí.
your left foot is not going to get used to looking for the clutch.
Espero que no esté pegado ni un caliper porque ahí es, porque está nuevo, pero si no se usa. Let me try with the pump. Lo voy a, come here, Elvin, please.
Ah,
Come here. I see Joel is now staying with that. Keep going, Elvin. Don't feel tired. You want to try with the? You want to try the other wheel? Remember the liner?
ya tiene el líquido allí, ¿verdad? Y todo.
Él tiene ya, he has fluid. Yeah. Not yet. Espero que no esté la bomba mala.
¿Quieres tirarle desde allá del pedal?
¿Qué? Espérate.
Pedal yo creo que le tira la pompa de la...
Wait. Ya, la bomba puede darle más. Dale.
Yo creo que
Déjame, voy a empezar el otro lado. We go to open first here to see if the pumps do the job.
Master cylinder.
Yeah, master cylinder. We have to see if it's pumping here, and then we see why we don't have the brake fluid. And Gotta be so much here, obviously. Okay. Pump. Okay, stop. Little more.
Lo dejo adentro.
Pump slowly. Pump slowly. Pump
Voy a ir.
completely.
Ahí llego hasta abajo.
Dale, bombeale. Ok, está bien. Off. It's coming. It's gotta be sooner. Voy a hablar.
Hopefully it's not leaking.
No, no.
Because
It's new. No, the new.
This is-
The line is new.
Okay.
We don't have any issue with that. Así como igual yo siempre me ocupo con. Ahí tengo una. Te la traigo.
Solo bueno que nosotros nos recordamos de en el Bema mío nadie,
Lo que tenemos ahí.
nadie sabe.
Ok. Increíble, ¿verdad?
Ahora le doy.
Suéltalo.
One eternity later.
Good? 100%. Right?
Let me. Yep.
Good or no good?
Oh yeah, it's good.
Okay, put the brake. Put the brake.
All right, we got brakes.
Ay, no voy a hacer la gas fire. No voy a hacer al revés la conexión. La gas. We put gas, ¿no? We put gas. Pero que no está. Yo voy a estar al revés. Now is it? Oh, let me take a look. Let me see.
It's a low.
Is it low? I need something that's wrong with the gasoline hose. Maybe it's bad one.